Click on the selection brush tool. Click and drag on the model to select the silhouette. Hold the Alt key if you want to subtract from the selection. You can adjust the size of the tool with using the square bracket keys. Click on Refine to go to the Refine selection menu, and what I do here is I adjust the size of the tool to a smaller one, and I click and drag on the spaces between the hairs that I need to remove. And I will change the preview mode several times to see what I have selected better. As you can see, I'm not trying to make a perfect selection with the adjustment brush, because the refine selection tool automatically adjusts the shape of the selection. And when satisfied with the result, click apply. I need to do some more refinements here. Press Ctrl plus J to create a new layer from the selection. Now you can use File Open to open the second image, which I already did, and I choose Edit Copy to copy it. Then I click on the Insert Inside option to paste it inside of the layer with the model, and then I choose Edit Paste. Then I click on the background image that I just pasted, and I add a layer mask to it. You add a layer mask to a layer by clicking on the icon that looks like a rectangle with a circle in its center, and this button is located at the bottom of the layers panel. Now click on the brush tool, and while you're still on the mask, make sure that the foreground color is set to black. And just click and drag on the places where you want to reveal. In this case, I want to show the face of the model. I click on the background layer and I drag it to the remove layer button to delete it, because we don't need it. Choose Edit Paste to paste a new copy of the layer, and make sure you select the move tool to adjust the position and the size of the layer. And I rotated it to 90 degrees angle using the Shift key. Click on the crop tool for the overlay. Choose golden spiral. Click on the presets button and choose click on rotate to automatically rotate the crop to 90 degrees angle. Click and drag on the upper right corner to adjust the size and of the crop area, and click and drag inside of the crop area to adjust the position. Double click when you're ready, but I will do some more adjustments to bring back more of the hair. Select the layer with the model, and in the layers panel click on the adjustment icon, which is at the bottom of the layers panel, and choose selective color. I add more magenta to the reds and let less cyan. Then I choose the blues from the drop down menu, and I add more cyan to the blues and also some more black to make it more dark blue. Again, create a new adjustment layer and choose curves. When you click on the curve, you create a point. When you drag the point up, you add more light. When you drag a point down, you add more darkness. This is basically what I do here. And this way you can add more contrast to the image. This is the final image.